Hey everyone, welcome back to another video on our channel Login Giants. In today's video, we're gonna take a look at how to live stream on Discord. Open up your Discord application. On your server, you can see two channel categories, which is the text and voice. To live stream, you'll need to click on one of the voice channels, or you can also create a new channel by clicking on this plus. Now open up any voice channel. Here you'll have a few options. To start the live stream, you can click on share your screen. Now it will show you all the screens that are open on your device. Click on the screen that you want to share. From here you can choose the stream quality. The free version of Discord you can only get the 720p resolution with 30 fps. Now click on go live. As you can see, this screen has started to share, which means I am now live and the members of this voice channel will be able to see this. You can also turn on your camera by clicking on this camera option. Other than that, you can also do other activities by clicking on start an activity. Here you can do a bunch of things from watching YouTube videos to playing games. You can go ahead and take a look at these. And to cancel and stop your live stream, you can click on stop streaming. So that's how you can live stream on Discord.